In this video, I'll show you how to install the NGSA 4.1 final graphics mod in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the required files and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder. Copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Open the required files, drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder, replace the file in the destination, and then go back and open this graphics mod and open this final. Depends on if a PC is back, you need to choose the folder. I'm going with this main. Drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder, replace the file in the destination, and then go back. Open this GTA SA, drag and drop this exe. Once you're done, I'll go on this GTA-SA and select delete option. Right click on this startup underscore sp and select edit in notepad. Scroll down and change this underscore to hyphen. Select file and select save option. Do the same thing for this exe. Right click on this startup sp and select show more. Send it to desktop gray shortcut. Launch the game through this shortcut. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.